So looking for a mentor is very important, but I think it's not even so easy to find the right one, because there are a lot. How to choose the right mentor? I think this is also a point.
Yeah. What advice do you have? Yeah, because a lot of people, online there is everything. There is people that don't really trade and they try to teach trading. There are, there is everything online. What advice do you have for people to actually find the correct guidance? Like, for example, I believe I follow you. I've seen your social medias. I like what you share. I like the information that you share. I like the charts that you share. What is your advice for people to actually differentiate between serious mentors and fake mentors?
It's pretty hard nowadays. What helped me a lot is the fact that in the past I knew a lot about marketing and I could read between the lines and everything. So right now, for a normal person that just got into the industry and doesn't know anything about social media, I think that is pretty hard. They can't even rely on social proof, because that can be fake. They can't rely on reviews, because that could be fake too. The results can be fake too. The only way I think that works is to read between the lines, to learn marketing too, and also to ask the people that are in the community. Like to find the people that already bought the course, that are already in the mentorship, and to ask for their advice.
Right.
Because like to find some real people that, even that could be fake, but to talk to more people in the same community and to see their opinion about the community. This is the only way nowadays, because as I said, the Forex industry got really fake, and it's pretty hard to differentiate.
I completely agree. There is everything out there.